Today we are going to be replacing a timer switch for a bath fan / light combo. So it's currently on a switch that you turn. This is what we're installing. It's a 10 to 60 minute timer. So yeah, it should go well.
The knob has an off, low, medium, and high, which does not match the plate behind it, which is a off all the way up to 60 minutes. The fan does function low on low, medium on medium, and high on high. However, the light will be off on low, on and off on medium sporadically, and on high, which is a problem. So this should be our neutral. So it looks like it is. This is going to be probably power out, and this is probably power coming in. So this would be our line side, this would be our load. So we have no power, we have power. So when we turn this, now we have power. So we're going to set this here, and once we set it there, we're going to go turn the power off, and I'll be able to hear this because it makes noise. So I'm going to the breaker to turn the breaker off. From what I'm reading back here, it doesn't matter what side you put the line and the load on, so we can just hook up however we want. The one that has a green sleeve on it in the picture, it says green flex sleeve, we're going to pull that off and connect it to the neutral, and then connect the ground to the ground. So anyways, we're going to get going on that, and I'll probably just show you once we have it all hooked up. So yeah, we're going to turn the power off and go. All right, we just got this all wired up. So just a few things I'd like to add. I always strip off a little bit more on these than what they come standard is being stripped. So I connected the white with the neutrals, which I double checked that it was the neutral. So I pre-wrap these, so I wrap this around before I twist my wire nut on. I do not use the wire nuts that come standard. These are ideal twisters. Anyways, so these don't matter for line and load. So I put basically one on one, and then one on the line side and one on the load side. So that's all connected, and so now that's all connected, we're going to test it, which I turned the power on already. So it has a little green light here. The light comes on and the fan's on. And that turns it off. So we did it all correct. We're going to shove it all in here, put a cover plate on it. Real quick tip here. Whenever you're trying to shove wires in, if you're having a hard time, and just with your dexterity with your thumbs, you can take this entire thing, hold it like this, and push your wires in the box with it, and know that this end is not going to damage anything in there. So it's a good way to, just the end of any screwdriver, as long as it's round like this, and this has rubber on the edges, is great for just shoving stuff in there. All right, we're all done. That's what it looks like. We put a level on it. It is level and got a green light, tested it, works great. We are all done here.